Hi there and welcome back. Right, in this second video we are going to move the game along a little bit. Obviously in the first one we got the fish to start in the same position every time the green flag is pressed, and we're going to move left, right, up and down and face the direction it's actually swimming. Okay, in this next video we are going to get and insert the shark. We're going to get the shark to start in the same position in this top corner up here. We're then going to get the shark to move constantly so it can actually try and chase the fish around the page. So let's get the shark added in. So we're going to go to choose a new sprite, and we're going to scroll in animals, scroll down until we find the shark. I'm just going to use this one here with the mouth open for now. So I'm just going to shark 1B. Again, let's quickly change the name of the sprite. So let's change that to Sharky. I'm going to click this one actually I'm going to let it rotate this time, so I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to move it up and I'm going to use the shrink tool to keep clicking to make this shark a little bit smaller. I'm going to say about maybe a little bit bigger than that. I reckon about that big. So there the shark is the right size, so if you look he's about the right size, bigger than the fish, and he can start just up here. So put him in the position you want him to start and leave him where he is. Okay, so let's get the shark to always start here first. So from last time, remember we used when the green flag is pressed, in motions, go to X and go to Y, this one here, and make sure, so if you position your shark here where you want him to start, make sure these coordinates just here are the same as the coordinates just here. Okay, so let's move him around. Let's say starts there, press the green flag, goes back to a starting position. Okay, just to make sure, we always want him to point this way, so we want him to point in direction 90 just to start off with, so that if he gets turned around facing the opposite direction, every time it starts, they're both facing the same way. Okay, there we go, perfect. Right, that's got the shark starting in the same position. We now need to get the shark moving and basically chasing the fish. So let's get going. So we want, when the green flag is clicked, and this is where we're going to use something that we've might have used before. We're not going to use the change X or change Y this time. We're going to use a move 10 steps. So we're going to use move 10 steps. So let's press the green flag. So because kind of he moves, you can't really see him move because he starts and then moves so quickly. So it doesn't look like anything happens. Okay, so we're going to wrap around this one here a forever. So this forever here. We're going to drag it in, and we're not going to drop it here, we're going to drop it so it's like that. So it goes around the move. So it should look just like this here, okay? So you should have, when the green flag is clicked, forever, and inside the forever should be the move 10 steps. So let's press the green flag, and look what happens. The shark moves always across the screen really quickly. Let's stop it there. If we change this down to say 1, the shark will move a lot slower. If we change that up to 20 and press the green flag, the shark will move really quickly. Okay, so I maybe go for somewhere around 2 for now, or you can change it to 3 depending. So it moves quite quickly, maybe a little bit faster than that. Let's go for 2.5. There we go, shark moves, and I can move my fish around the screen. The only problem is now is that the shark doesn't actually chase the fish, it just moves across the top. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to get the shark, when it's moving, to always point at the fish. So in motion, we can use point towards this one here. We can drag this across and we can change it point towards fish. And this one needs to go, it must go inside like that. So it goes inside the forever. So what this will do, this will repeat these two instructions forever. Until we press the red stop button, it will keep repeating them over and over and over again. So let's press the green flag. So now you can see the shark moves towards the fish, and the fish, you can use the arrow keys to try and get away from the shark. And it's going to keep chasing you. And it's going to keep chasing you. And I think that's probably around the right speed at the moment. Okay, so we've got now the shark moving. Let's press the red flag. We've got the shark moving. We've got it so that it starts in the same place, and it always literally just chases the fish. So it's going to keep chasing it until it catches it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get the shark's mouth opening and closing so that it keeps sort of chomping, so it's chasing the fish, opening and closing its mouth.